Looks like you lost another one.
Yo, I feel like I have not sat up here and filmed from this angle in so long. Like, honestly, I've not done an unboxing for shoes for so long, it feels like. But this is the package from eBay that I sniped last episode for the Royal Toes. And I was under the impression, because I watched like one video a while back about like when they did the repackaging to the Authenticity Center, whatever it's called. They were supposed to repackage it and like put the eBay tape around it. But none of that is here. And it feels like there's no padding around the shoes, so I really hope they're not faulty or broken. I bought it for like $2.70, but shipping was like $14, which I didn't see. Okay, sick. They're already open. That's really cool. Yeah, they're literally falling out of the box. That's sick. Yeah, sick. eBay, bro. No padding, no protection at all. That's cool. Yeah, these are DS though. I'm glad that the laces are still attached. Because with my David Letterman ones, the laces were not attached. Alright, cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna post these for like $3.10. If anybody wants them, for somebody's mom, sister, girlfriend. What's up guys? So I didn't even show me unboxing these, the Kyanites, I don't think, because I just forgot to. But these are really sick in my opinion. I think they're undervalued, honestly. They look similar to the Arzares, which people have been saying, and I agree with them. But I already sold my 5.5 like 2 days ago for $255 on Facebook, and today I'm selling this size 7 for $245 to my guy who always buys shoes off of me. I also sold all my Volts. I kind of just ended up doing that. I sold all of them. No. I sold 3 of them, all the men's sizes for $193, and then I sold the grade school size for $190, and then payout is like $177 on Alias. I ended up doing this because I was saying I'm investing in them and whatever, but after just looking at them, I lined them all up and I'm like, do I truly believe in this shoe? Because I looked at the quality, it's nothing compared to like the University Blues or the Mochas. It's a weird color, it's like a highlight, not a lot of people can wear it, and I was like, no, I'm gonna post these and see if they sell.
Looks like you lost another one.
What's up guys? So today's April 3rd and today I got meetups. The first meetup I have is for a size 9 Kyanite, because basically when I went to sell my other Kyanites at my guy's office, one of the coworkers was like, if you get that in my size, then I'll be sold. Sell me whatever you want. And I'm like, all right, bet. So I went on this morning for about 5 minutes. I looked it up and found one for $220, listed for $250, and he's like, lowest I'll do $220. So he's at work. Another 45-minute drive, just what I did yesterday. But you know, I'm up for it. And then I'm gonna go to his office and maybe film a bit. Definitely gonna post on Instagram, and then I'm gonna head back, and if I have enough energy, which I probably will, I'll go meet up with my other guy, Sneaker Supply, to buy a size 9 and a 9.5 Jordan 3 UNC, which looks awesome, and he's selling it for a good price. Alright, because I'm such a different breed of human race.
Stop the cap! Stop the cap right now! Stop the cap!
I picked these up for $215. Retail, this guy hit on confirm, and I guess he's not a reseller at all because he's working at a restaurant, and yeah, DS, about to sell these for $260, maybe $265 because of gas. But yeah. So I ended up buying them for $215 and then selling them for $275, which I asked, I was like, can you do $260 for gas, or $265 for gas? And he's like, no, I'll just pay you $275. I'm like, all right, man, if you're sure. I'm like, that's cool. These shoes are really nice. The Jordan 3 UNCs. The tumbled leather is absolutely amazing. I forgot, like I was showing the camera. But it's like the same as the University Blue Jordan 1s. It's really nice, really good quality. I'm not surprised that these skyrocketed or went up a lot in price. I'm pretty sure that these were tried on, I'm not gonna lie, but they are dead stock. I'm just gonna pull a rear kicks with the laces, tighten them up, and put them behind like it just came from the factory. Awesome. Dude, okay, so today's the morning of the 5th. I got Royal Toast here, and then UNC's, those are going out. And then today, or last night, I sold my Clay Browns, and look at this. Empty. Literally empty. Unions, I don't know if I'm gonna sell them. Homage to Homes, which my guy still hasn't bought for me yet. He said he was. And then Yeezys and metallic mids, which I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sell metallic mids for profit unless I just hold them for like another few months. But dude, I need to buy shoes. I really do. What's up guys? So I'm in my school's parking lot right now, but I'm planning on doing 2 deals after school. One of them to pay $225 for a size 10.5 Yeezy carbon, because one of my clients co-workers wants one. And then after that, I'm gonna be paying around $525 for a pair of Jordan 4 PSGs and another pair of shoes that I completely forgot about. Lucky Greens, and I'm gonna be paying $525, so $262 for each, roughly. And yeah, I'll film how it goes.
Sneaker meetup. Let's see what you about to finesse.
All right, for sure. What's your name?
My name's Abe. 561.snkrz sneakers.
All right, for sure.
Got a couple pairs for you. I'm gonna start off with what you requested.
The Lucky Greens.
Greens. Yes.
Nice,
check
man.
them out.
Yeah, for sure. Awesome. These are undervalued in my opinion.
Oh yeah, for sure. They're going up though, for sure.
Oh yeah, of course. Nice.
PSG 4s. OGO. Go check them
Nice. I hit these on sneakers, and I sold them for basically retail, and then they just...
They skyrocketed.
I thought they would.
These are gonna
I'm
keep
like
going up though. It's a personal favorite for me.
9.5.
If they were my size, I would have kept them.
So did you try them on, or did you just buy them, try them? Okay.
The guy, he had them, but if they were mine, I would have kept them already.
Yeah, of course. All right, nice.
And I got a couple pairs for you. Got some Turbo Greens.
Turbo Greens.
They are worn, not DS. So you see a couple marks on there, but
Okay.
super clean.
All right, so we're ended up getting PSGs, Lucky Greens, and then very good condition used pair of Bloodlines for $250. All right, we got the goods.
Right,
Thanks for doing
appreciate
business.
you. Let me know if you want anything else on my page. I'll 100% work with you, man.
Of course,
Appreciate you
man.
for coming early too, man.
Yeah, of course. Oh. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see that well because there's a bunch of glare. But here are the shoes, size 10.5. I'm gonna be selling them for $260 tomorrow. Hopefully, if everything goes according to plan. All right, so we just got back and I logged the stuff. The Yeezy Carbons I bought from a different person, but the Lucky Greens and the PSGs I paid $525, and then plus the $250. So that's $775 right there, if it'll focus. And then we're just gonna divide that by 3. So $258 per pair, not too bad. The PSGs I can sell for $300 easily. And then the Lucky Greens, those are going for like $270, $280. And then the Bloodlines, I gotta, figure those out because those are used. I just kind of wanted to buy something else. Okay, so I didn't film it today because I didn't really feel like I needed to, but all I did was really sell the Lucky Greens already for $270. I'll pop up the profit, whatever, and all that stuff right there. And then I also sold the Yeezy Carbons, which I was planning on selling the day after, which is what I did, for $260, and kind of give him, I could have charged like $270, but I bought them for cheap. So, that's how it goes. I'm going to end the video here because I'm going out for the weekend. I want to upload this before that. So I'll see you guys later. If you want If you enjoy my content, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.